Vessel Propulsion Control and Monitor System, an application story from ICP DAS USA. The propulsion system is the most important and complex part of marine vessels, especially for ocean fishing vessels and container ships. It is composed of many electronic and mechanical devices to control and monitor the engine speed, cooling system, residual fuel content, exhaust gas temperature, engine oil pressure, and more. The built-in propulsion control system is usually restricted to the onboard control system, and data cannot be exchanged with other external control systems. Many industrial and commercial engines support J1939 Protocol for reading engine data. Our GW7238D can be used to convert J1939 data into Modbus. Users can integrate data with any SCADA software that supports Modbus. This is an automation solution for vessel propulsion control and monitor system. The GW7552 can communicate to Siemens PLC using PROFIBUS communication. Users can use propulsion system data in PLC to control any outputs, such as switches and alarms. For example, the propulsion data can be used to trigger an alarm notification to email or cell phone when the engine is overheated. Each of these devices may be handled by several PLCs via different communication interfaces. To integrate the information from these devices, the GW-7552 would be the best solution for data exchange between the Siemens PLC and the Modbus PLC. The HMI can then collect and configure the important parameters of the propulsion systems quickly and easily through the GW-7552. For more information on our GW-7238D and GW-7552, or to read more application stories, please visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.